Happy Tuesday. It is another week, another great week. Yesterday was Memorial Day. I hope everyone had an amazing Memorial Day. It is about 1 o'clock p.m. and I'm preparing for some meetings. I have two one-on-one meetings with my agents, with two different agents. Just been working this morning, getting a lot of admin things done. What's on my calendar for the rest of the day is I have this meeting about to come up, another one in 30 minutes, and then after that, I have to follow up with the client regarding life insurance, another one at 5, and then another one at 5:30. So I just really have meetings for the rest of the day. The beginning of the day was a lot of admin, back-end work. Some exciting things are happening, and I can't wait to share with you all. So it's a good week. Always a good week. I wanted to get on a call with you. I know that you wanted to go over some things. When you sent me the message, you said after getting an appointment with carriers, is that when I start looking for clients, and also are there any websites that agents have to use? So I'm gonna kind of just go over everything in the process for you just to help you out a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So after you fully get appointed, that's when I'll go over the training with you, and we can actually put that training on the calendar, the very first one, going over pretty much how to find clients, how to build that market and things like that. So we can go over all that, and then we'll have continuous training on how to build that network as well. What I've been doing seriously though is sending out things from my mentorship program. So I kind of revamped or altered my mentorship program and wanted it to be more like a one-on-one thing. So I'm sending out the email to the people that have applied and that I accepted into the program. And it's going to be a very extensive but short program, very affordable for everybody. And I want to just help as much as possible and give them that one-on-one time with me. So I'm sending out emails for that and getting the invoices set up and make sure the invoices are sent out and they're paid and things like that. And I have a one-on-one meeting with my agent in 2 minutes. And then I have a meeting with my accountant and then a client. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I have a lot to do. I have to go to get my pants for this photo shoot on Friday. I have to get them picked up. I'm about to hop on this meeting with my agents. I didn't really oversleep, but I didn't wake up early. And so just trying to knock this stuff out the last day of May. So that's exciting. New month coming, new goals. So I'm gonna hop on this meeting with my agents, and then I'll follow back up with y'all. We're gonna do a few role plays and we'll be done for the day. You are meeting with this guy. He has accumulated a significant amount of credit card debt, student loans, and has a mortgage. He's concerned about leaving his loved ones burdened with debt if he were to pass away unexpectedly. He wants to explore life insurance options that can help cover his outstanding debt and provide financial relief to his beneficiaries. I need to make a video, like a reel or something, about how vaping can increase your death benefit or your premium for your life insurance, because it just did for one of my clients. But she is going with the lesser benefit now for...
Thank you for calling Illinois Mutual. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
So now I have to, she's going to go with it. Her policy was approved for just a lot less than what
Please
she had
listen carefully as our menu items have...
Calling regarding... I have that policy number for you if you need that. I know she was approved at the tobacco level. I spoke with Illinois Mutual yesterday, and they said I could do $250 preferred at $43.78, and so I kind of offered that to the client, and she was okay with that.
Yes, I got $43.78 at $250,000 on a preferred tobacco rate. So this will be issued conditionally because of the tobacco rating being added. So there will be an amendment that'll need to be signed and sent back before we can draft the initial premium. So I just wanted you to be aware of that. But I'll go ahead and get this approved, and we'll get the policy mailed off to you.
It's so much work because now I have to wait for the policy to be mailed out, her to sign the policy, the amendment, send it back. I just emailed the underwriter to see if there's any way she could e-sign it, but I'm gonna send her a voice message. Right now, I am getting together some quotes. I had a client, it was a couple, married couple, and they're looking at getting life insurance. Been going back and forth for about a few months now. They're ready to bind the policy, and I'm just getting all my notes together. So tonight, I can go ahead and submit those applications. And then another one of my clients wanted to me to call him for his wife's life insurance, and hopefully we can bind that tonight. And then I had somebody reach out about an event center. He wants me to give him a call, and one other person, I think. So I'm just trying to get through everything. I have a meeting with my agent in 7 minutes, so it's a lot happening right now.
Hey, Kenny.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well. Just trying to stay afloat over here.
Long night.
Right. I took a you ever had the Celsius drinks? It's like I did not know they got you going like that, because I was so sleepy.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I cannot go to sleep right now. And I took that, and literally within like 20 minutes, I'm like, oh yeah, we back.
Method, of course, grabbing that person's phone number is like the biggest thing I'm trying to work on now, because they'll tell you a bunch of stuff.
They'll blow some smoke up your rear end for sure. Like I literally been dealing with this couple, following my protocol since March. And then today, and sometimes I'm like, I don't even feel like talking to them because they're not gonna respond, or but I just I follow the protocol and just set a reminder. And then they hit me today and were like, yeah, we can do it tonight. So it's like it paid off, even though it was very annoying on my end. But I'm not like hitting them up every day. It's like probably once a week, just like following up, and then they'll give me an update and say follow up in 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks to the day I'm following up. But it is very like time consuming to continue. Like, and I was literally saying earlier to myself, just say you want it, just say you don't, or just say wait. Like people not answering and saying, oh well, I got, like, just be honest. Like we're not gonna hold a gun to your head. We're not gonna do any of that. How can I best support you? What do you need from me?
Well, I feel like you supported us in like the communication, just being able to talk and stuff, and always having that line of communication there. That's what I need, like if I have any questions. And I feel like you're doing a good job at keeping that line of communication open. So
great one-on-one with my agent Jasmine. I love talking to my agents and just seeing what they have going on, and just getting feedback of what I can do better as their broker, so that was really cool. And I just got a inquiry on my website for life insurance, so I'm going to give her a call in a minute. I just have a few other things I need to do and get these quotes up. So a while back in one of my day in the life videos, I said every 10 life insurance policies I'm going to go somewhere, right? Ended up not doing it. My first 10. So my birthday's coming up. I'm going on a solo trip, and I just needed time to like reset, restart, come back, hit the ground running. So I now have, here we are, 20 policies issued later. I'm going to go on the trip, do a photo shoot. I'm doing like a big shebang to make up for the 20 policies issued. And then the next 10, I already have like 5, I believe, in the pipeline. So that'll get me halfway through my next goal. And I think for my next goal, I'll put that either towards Mexico, or I may go somewhere else smaller. I'm not 100% sure yet, because I do have a bonus check coming from one of my carriers that I can use for that trip. Or I might just like go shopping or something like that. Not too sure, but it's been very helpful for me to say every 10 go somewhere or do something for yourself, because it gives you something to look forward to and also meet goals and make more revenue. So now I'm about to spend some time pretty much prospecting. I need to call a client first, or a prospect that reached out. He wants me to insure his event center. So I'm going to see if I have that application and then send that over to him. And then once I do, then I'll start prospecting.
Hello?
Hey, is this
Yes.
Hey, this is Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Hey, what's going on, man? Pretty good.
Nothing much. Wanted to reach out to you regarding your insurance for your event center. Well, do you have like just a few minutes to go over like the application and everything?
Yeah, I got time.
Cool. All right. Well, no, I would need the banking for that. But once I like lock the application, I can't really like unlock it because it's sent to them.
Okay.
So once I get that, and then it'll be sent to you immediately. And then once you sign and send back, then that's when I submit everything to Illinois Mutual.
Okay.
Keep making that content now.
I'll keep making this content, okay?
All right. Thank you, man. Just got off the phone with the clients that are doing their life insurance policies. We didn't submit them yet. Her husband's friend came over last minute, so we had to put a pause on it, but they said they would call back or let me know when's a better time to call back. I have to call this other client, and that's a meeting alert for this client. She wants to put her car insurance in place, and then I'm talking to a referral agent that sent me a auto insurance deal. I saved her a lot of money, and she sent payment information, so I'm just kind of going back and forth with her as well. Hello? Hello? It's a good time for you?
I think we're all right. Sure.
I'd like to follow up with you regarding the quotes that we spoke about to see if you wanted to move forward or had any questions.
I really didn't have any questions, and we didn't get a chance to look in detail. But from what you explained to me at a high level, I felt like it made sense. But I wanted to see if my wife had any questions or like.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Yeah. Let's proceed.
Okay, yeah. Let's see. 140 what? This is $50 a month. Just finished my last presentation of the night. It is 8:30 p.m. That was another life insurance. It was one of my childhood dear friends. I'm looking for life insurance. I met with his sister and her husband actually earlier today. So he reached out and said he needed some. Just working on that. Did a few P&C deals today, and it's the last day of May, so I need to calculate everything. And I know it was a super successful, profitable month. So just trying to make sure that June is even more successful. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. This is the first time I've ever woken up and said, thank God it's not Friday. Thought today was Friday. I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and I was like, oh crap, it's Friday, but it's not. So happy Thursday. I have meetings literally all day. My first meeting is in 2 minutes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 6 meetings today. And I have another client trying to set up her life insurance at some point today. And if not, I may have to move it to tomorrow morning, just because I have all these meetings and I have some other stuff I need to do. I need to run by the bank and handle some stuff there. I have to work on current client things. But it's been payday today, which is nice. And tomorrow I'm gonna have some more like deposits coming in. So just trying to like do that and text my accountant about something, about an invoice that was paid. It's a lot, but good things as always, and just trying to balance everything. So while I wait for him, my agent to come on, I am going to, wasn't able to shave my head, so I'm trying to like put this on until I can. But while I wait for him, I'm gonna try to knock out some, I can't knock out work because it's on my other CRM. So while I wait for him, I'm gonna try to get some things done.
Hoping to get some deals going by like the end of this week or next week. So yeah, it's been going pretty well. But I really want to, really start getting that those marketing pieces up.
No, for sure. And then if you need any help with like the material, let me know, and I can have my assistant make it. I'm gonna text you his email too. So if you ever needed anything, just shoot him an email and he can make it. I know he made something for Nixie recently, if I'm not mistaken. I think her logo or something he made. So if you need anything, definitely let him know.
All right, so my thing has been really focused on like final expense.
Yeah.
So just been doing like a lot of research and stuff when it comes to that, and just trying to learn more about that specifically, like just to niche down in that field.
I got you. And then what can I do to best support you?
I guess, everything you're doing now, so the trainings, one-on-ones, all that stuff definitely helps.
How are you today? How's your day going?
Doing great.
Good. I love that.
Let me get. Never ready.
Hey,
Never ready.
it's all good though. So I got a referral from a State Farm homeowners insurance. It's a coastal home, but I have another life insurance meeting with another client. I just submitted 2 life insurance deals and they paid in full for the year. And so that's really good because there's no, I'm gonna get the full payment up front. All right, so now I have another life insurance meeting with a client. I just texted her, told her I was running a few minutes late, finishing up another meeting and getting all that in. And I'm gonna call underwriting afterwards just to make sure they received everything and see if there's anything they need from me. Their issue should be pretty smooth, like issuing the policy. All they have to do is a phone call. So let me call this client and I'm gonna have my earphones in so you're not gonna be able to hear it. So essentially, whole life insurance is what's gonna last your entire life. So think about when you hear people say, oh, I'm able to take from my policy, see it grow, and I'm able to do this and that. That's a whole life policy. And it's usually more expensive for a less amount, but of course, it's growing over time. You're able to take from the policy. One of my clients that I followed up with time and time again, needs their their workers' comp. And it's not like a quick process and that she can get it like right now, you know what I'm saying? So she's like, can I get it right now? I'm like, that's not how it works, which I explained to her, you know, before she even decided to do this. And she was like, I should have got this sooner. And I was like, yeah. So I'm about to call her in a minute just to see what we can do to help her out so she can fulfill her contract. She has a cleaning company, so I want to make sure she's able to do her job.
So when I pay this fee, this one-time fee, does that, how does that incorporate into the insurance? Because I know when I added the other insurance, it increased it a little bit.
So this is a whole separate policy. Yeah, this is a whole separate policy. It's not through the same company. So the amount you pay, that was the premium for the year. Go ahead and start that now. The first thing I need is your EIN. This is why I need somebody else. So I just had a referral. Or somebody that just called, I guess, found my number. And she needed workers' comp. And my assistant took the message. And she called at 12 o'clock. I called her back at 3. And she already has insurance. So, you know, gotta be quicker than that. But, I mean, I was literally writing 2 policies. So I couldn't obviously hop back over. So, win some, you lose some. So once you sign that application, it'll shoot back to me and then I'll shoot it to the life insurance company and then it'll issue most likely within a week as long as you do the tele app, all right?
Okay, it's only 2 places to sign, right?
Yeah, and it'll tell you when you're done. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. I am working today, but I'm working in the other room. I've been running around today. I have a photo shoot in a few hours. I've talked to one of my clients. She's ready to make payment for her workers' comp. It was a pretty big payment, so she wanted to get that together. And then I have another client that's closing on their auto insurance tomorrow morning. So I'll be working a little bit tomorrow, doing some admin stuff, getting ready for the mentorship program that's launching or starting this week coming up. I'm excited. And doing a more one-on-one approach. And then I just got off the phone with another YouTube subscriber that just wanted some one-on-one mentoring for like an hour. So getting that set up and sending her all the information for that. But it has been a great week. Very profitable May, very successful May, and I know June will be the same. It's been a great start to the month. I've closed a lot of deals already and it's only the 2nd day of June, so I'm very grateful for that. My birthday is in July, taking a solo trip. I'm very excited to reset, recharge, and then also spend a bag. Like I work really hard and I usually don't splurge on myself. So I'm using my birthday to spend a lot of money that I deserve. I deserve it. So I'm excited. I'm about to get ready for the shoot and then clean up a little bit and then also work in between as well. But this is the end of this video. If you made it this far in the video, put some blue hearts in the comment box below. And also, what was your favorite part of the video? I always love to know what people enjoy about the day in the life videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.